Eat. Eat. I eat breakfast every morning. Drink. Drink. I drink water when I am thirsty. Sleep. Sleep. I sleep early on weekdays. Run. Run. I run in the park every evening. Walk. Walk. I walk to school every day. Jump. Jump. I jump into the river. Talk. Talk. I talk to my friends after class. Listen. Listen. I listen to music when I study. Write. Write. I write in my notebook during lessons. Read. Read. I read books before going to bed. Sing. Sing. I sing songs in the shower. Dance. Dance. I dance at parties with my friends. Drive. Drive. I drive my car to work every day. Cook. Cook. I cook dinner for my family. Play. Play. I play soccer with my friends on weekends. Work. Work. I work at a small office. Study. Study. I study English in the library. Teach. Teach. I teach my little brother how to read. Help. Help. I help my mom with the housework. Think. Think. I think about my goals every morning. Watch. Watch. I watch TV in the evening. Laugh. Laugh. I laugh at funny jokes. Cry. Cry. I cry when I feel sad. Smile. Smile. I smile when I see my friends. Ride. Ride. I ride my bike to the park. Climb. Climb. I climb trees in the backyard. Push. Push. I push the door when it is stuck. Pull. Pull. I pull the rope to open the curtain. Open. Open. I open the window to let in fresh air. Close. Close. I close the door before leaving the room. Build. Build. I build sandcastles at the beach. Break. Break. I break a pencil when I press too hard. Clean. Clean. I clean my room every weekend. Draw. Draw. I draw pictures in my sketchbook. Paint. Paint. I paint the walls of my room. Catch. Catch. I catch the ball when we play catch. Throw. Throw. I throw the ball to my friend. Swim. Swim. I swim in the pool during summer. Kick. Kick. I kick the ball during soccer practice. Hug. Hug. I hug my mom when I see her. Fix. Fix. I fix my broken toys. Wash. Wash. I wash my hands before eating.